I'm so emotional. I'm so happy. First of all, I have to say thank you to SKB and Murli. Such a sweetest fans you both, and நிறைய தமிழ் மக்கள் நிறைய fans இருக்காங்க. Daily they are updating everything about me, and birthday-காக ரொம்ப கஷ்டப்பட்டுட்டாங்க. எல்லாரும் drawing, cake cutting, poor people-க்கு food sharing, dogs-க்கு feeding. I'm so blessed. ரொம்ப ஹாப்பியா இருக்கு. நீங்க எல்லாரும் God கொடுத்த gift எனக்கு. ரொம்ப ரொம்ப ஹாப்பியா இருக்கு. It's a special birthday to me. At the same time, whole day I'm spending with my family. Thank you so much. చాలా వీడియోస్ చాలా మంది పిల్లలు మెసేజ్ పెట్టారు, అండ్ చాలా మంది వాళ్ళ ఇంట్లో కేక్ కటింగ్ చేసుకుంటూ నాకు వీడియోస్ పెడుతున్నారు. நிறைய பேர் கேக் கட்டிங் பண்ணுறாங்க. என்னோட பர்த்டே அவங்க வீட்டில் பண்ணிக்கிறாங்க. எனக்கு நிறைய வீடியோஸ் வந்துச்சு, நான் எல்லாமே போஸ்ட் பண்ணுவேன். அண்ட் நீங்கள் எல்லோரும் எனக்கு ஒரு ஸ்ட்ரென்த்து கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. யாரும் இல்லைன்னா என்ன மேம், வி ஆல் ஆர் தேர். அப்படி எனக்கு ரொம்ப தைரியமாக இருக்குது. இப்போ ரொம்ப ஹாப்பியாக இருக்குது, ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமாக இருக்குது. I'm so blessed. This birthday is very special to me. This birthday chala special naku. Chala happy ga undi. I'm getting goosebumps. Every year miss kaakunda SKB and Murli andarki na tarpuna food anni share chestu untaru. Alage cake cutting chestaru na photo petkoni. నేను ఎప్పుడు వీడియో కాల్ అలా ఏం మాట్లాడలేదు. ఒక్కసారి 2 సార్లు కలిసాను. బట్ డెఫినెట్లీ ఆఫ్టర్ దిస్ லாக்டவுன் கண்டிப்பாக நம்ம எல்லோரும் மீட் பண்ணுறோம். நான் பிளான் பண்ணுவேன் கண்டிப்பாக. அண்ட் ரொம்ப ரொம்ப ஹாப்பியாக இருக்குது. ஐ கான்ட் எக்ஸ்பிளைன் இன் வேர்ட்ஸ். ரொம்ப ஹாப்பியாக இருக்குது. ஐம் ஸோ எமோஷ்னல். ஐம் சென்டி ஃபெலோ. And okay, let's be normal now. Thank you so much everyone. I miss you all. I'm missing my all friends. In the time என்னோட friends கூட ரொம்ப கஷ்டப்பட்டுட்டாங்க. This time నా friends కూడా అందరూ చాలా సర్ప్రైజెస్ ప్లాన్ చేశారు, చాలా కష్టపడ్డారు. చాలా చాలా థ్యాంక్స్. నిజంగా మీ అందరు నా లైఫ్లో ఉన్నందుకు చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఉంది. ఓకే, ఐఎమ్ మిస్సింగ్ సంథింగ్ ఇన్సైడ్ దట్ యూ ఆల్ నో, అండ్ ఐఎమ్ ఫీలింగ్ సాడ్ ఇన్సైడ్ బికాస్ యూ ఆల్ నో దట్. బట్ స్టిల్ యూ ఆల్ ఆర్ blessed me and wished me. Thank you so much. And Anamika also, thank you so much. நான் சொன்னேன்ல அவங்களுக்கு ஒரு கண்ணு இல்லை, ஒரு கை ஒர்க் ஆகாது. பட் ஸ்டில் she'll do videos for me. She wished me at 12 o'clock, and she will draw with left hand. She made some cute roses. I'll post everything. And hi Usha, hi Praveen, hi everyone. Sahid, thank you. Revant, yeah. Nitin Kumar, hi. Badri, yeah, I'm safe. Neenga ellaru safe ah? Andaru safe ga unnara? Kamini, hi. Be the Crimer, you're looking so cute. Thank you so much. Anant King, hello. Haripriya, hi. Srinath, hi. Mastan Gopal, happy, thank you so much. Mani, hi. Harshita, thank you. Sai Sonu, thank you. Karthik, hi. Royal Swin, hi. Nitya Dharan, hi. Achyutanandan, today TikTok video super, thank you so much. Ungal Nanvan, hi. Roja baby, thank you. Kittu Cham, hi. Ajit, hi. Thank you. Meena, thank you. Porandla, hi. Priya, thank you so much. Sai Bhairi, hi. Priyanka garu, hi Andi. It's Mohan, thank you. Lonely King, thank you. Elisha, hi. Sasika, thank you so much. And at the same time Gopal kuda, Gopal Thambi எனக்கு ஃபேன். அவங்க கூட ரொம்ப பெரிய ஃபேன். அவங்க கூட வீட்டில் கேக் பண்ணிட்டாங்க அண்ட் எல்லாரும் புவர் பீப்புளுக்கு ஃபுட் ஷேர் பண்ணிட்டாங்க. தேங்க்யூ தம்பி. அண்ட் நிறைய பேர் எனக்கு மன்னிச்சுங்க, நெக்ஸ்ட் டைம் நான் அந்த லிஸ்ட்டு ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணி நான் நேம்ஸ் சொல்லுவேன். நிறைய பேர் இன்ஸ்டாவில் குரூப் பண்ணிட்டாங்க. அந்த குரூப்பில் கூட எப்போவுமே ஆக்டிவாக இருந்து எல்லாமே பர்த்டே பிஃபோர் 1 வீக் பிஃபோர் எல்லாமே பிளான் பண்ணி விஷஸ் பண்ணி எடிட்டிங் சாங்ஸ் எல்லாமே பண்ணிட்டாங்க. அந்த குரூப்பில் யார் யார் இருக்காங்க அவங்க எல்லாருக்கும். அண்ட் ஹரிஷ், ஹாய், ஹாப்பி பர்த்டே அக்கா. டிஎஸ்பி, தேங்க்யூ. Kotturi Supriya, thank you so much. Sai Kiran, Burfin Fatima, thank you. Kurma Smart, thank you. Ganesh Wangala, thank you. Iliana Lia, thank you so much. Divya, thank you. Charan Yadav, hi. Mani Shesha, thank you. Your life put on your story. Hello, can you hear my voice, everyone? Hello. Hi. Can you hear my voice? Okay. Karthik, thank you. Raj Prakash, thank you. Ganesh Wangala, thank you. Shiva Naidu, thank you. Ritika, thank you. Sauji Chaudhary Kattipalli, thank you. Mr. Mech Engineering, I'm doing live now. Abhay B, hi. Kalpana, hi. Moon Maker, Thomas, நல்லா இருக்கியா? நல்லா இருக்கேன். மோஹித் பிரியங்கா அக்கா ஃபேன், ஹாய். Mofida, hi, thank you. Felix, thank you. Avinash, thank you. Hemant, hi. Peter, hi. Munna Manikanta, thank you so much. The Sunita, hi. Krish, thank you so much. Maunish, thank you. Selva, hi. Lakshmana, thank you so much. Shrikant, hi. Shrikant, hello. Suresh, hi. Ritika, hi. Shakti Balaji, hi. Ayappa, thank you. Sai Naidu, thank you. Thomas, thank you. Pavan Zumin, thank you. And யாரான பேர் நான் மிஸ் பண்ணிட்டியா మన్నించుங்க. ఎవరైనా పేర్లు నేను మిస్ అవుతే నన్ను క్షమించండి, ఓకేనా? కోపడకండి. Vinita, thank you. Civil Bhaskaran, thank you. Bharathi, thank you. Naveen loves you. Hi Roja sis, thank you. Adam Smith, thank you. Mr. Mek, hi. Felix, how come you're so cute and chubby? I don't know. Kishore, live long for 100 years. Thank you so much. Venkatesh, Kirtinian Balagan, happy birthday. Thank you Venkatesh. Hey Bhavani, I'm in live. Mahesh, thank you. Shakti, hi. Sindhu, hi. Janu, hi. Pavan Gudla, hi. Amanu, hi. I am Vijay.jai, thank you. Deepan, thank you. Bhavitha, thank you. Jennifer, Ketan, thank you. M Kulum Madhan, thank you. Sandy, thank you. Nani Raviteja, thank you so much. Haripriya, hi. Gisipur, happy birthday, thank you so much. Ashok, hi. Kartika, hi. Mr. Smile, na nalla irke. Mani Gantila, hi, thank you. Kannan, thank you. It's me, Chinna, hello. Arul, hi, you're looking cute and happy birthday. Thank you so much. Chandru, thank you. Kalpana, thank you. Mr. Smile Kilo, birthday special what? I'll show you, I'll upload in YouTube. Sebuz, hi. Salamon, thank you so much. And நிறைய பேரு எனக்கு இன்ஸ்டாகிராமில் மெசேஜஸ் பண்ணிட்டாங்க. அது இன்னும் நான் ஓப்பன் பண்ணல. I'll open after celebration and all. Evening, night I'll be free, though I'll reply everyone. And Kumaresh, thank you so much. Murli na dress pic post chestanu, full pic post chestanu Murli. And hats off Murli, take care, stay at home, be safe. అందరికీ అడిగానని చెప్పు. డెఫినెట్లీ కలుద్దాం అందరం ఈ లాక్డౌన్ తర్వాత. ఐ విల్ ప్లాన్. Ramana Gutta, who prepared your birthday cake? Actually, yesterday night 12 o'clock cake prepared by my sister's homemade chocolate cake, and today నేను 2 cakes కట్ చేశాను. One cake is chocolate and another one is ice cream cake. One is by my brother-in-law. He sent me, he surprised me, and one more is from my brother Rakesh. So 2 cakes from outside. Baby, thank you so much. Janu Priyanka fan, hi ma. Lakshmi Gantala, hi. Mary, hi. Mani, hi. Sekar, hi. Uday, hi. Renga, hi. Suresh, Ritika, how is your birthday going? It's going good, fantastic. Janu, thank you so much. Actually எல்லாருக்கும் இந்த குவாரண்டைனில், இந்த லாக்டவுனில் அவ்வளோ பண்ண முடியாது. இந்த இயரில் எல்லாரும் பர்த்டேஸ் ரொம்ப சிம்பிளாக வீட்டில் நார்மலாக ஆகும். பட் எனக்கு இட்ஸ் லைக் awesome birthday this year, seriously. I'm so happy. Like every year I used to celebrate, you all know with whom I used to celebrate, and every year it's a special birthday to me. And this year, yeah, it's also very special because of all day I'm spending with my family, and I got a lot of surprises. And this year also I'm happy. And Ramadan start ஆச்சு. Ramzan is coming. So என்னோட friends எல்லாருக்கும் be safe, stay at home, and you all doing fasting, no? So safe இருங்க. And advance happy Ramzan. Amirtha, hi. Pavan, hello. My Mr. Heart Killer, thank you. Imri, I am RJ, you're my crush. Okay. Muchkin, thank you. Yuvin, thank you. Nisha, hi. Thomas, thank you. Nitya Rajan, hi. Niza Asad, hi. Mohammed, welcome. Gayu, you're looking like stressed, dear. Yeah, of course. Yesterday night I slept at 3 o'clock because continue calls, and today also from morning itself continue calls. That's happy thing actually. So I'm so busy today, so busy today. I was thinking that lockdown la veetla irundhu enad birthday ku romba depress agum, I feel lonely appdi ipdi nan naniche, but today I'm so busy and I'm so happy, you know. Devi Ganesh, happy birthday sister, I wish that you are blessed. Thank you so much. Roja, hi. Kavi Radha, you're lucky akka, your birthday is dance day. So yeah, yes, it's Yeah, it's International Dance Day. My favorite. I love dancing. என்னோட ஸ்ட்ரெஸ் எல்லாமே டான்ஸில் போயிடும். I love dancing. I die for dance. So today it's an International Dance Day. So International Dance Day to everyone, and I'm so lucky. I'm so happy that this day I won. It's so special. Kalai, thank you so much. Chacha, thank you so much. It's a normal thing. Full of dust. That's why don't think anything negative. Fatima, thank you. Guru, thank you. Royal Ashwin, thank you. Money, thank you. And Sanjay, thank you. It's me, Shia. Hi. I don't have any corona. It's because of dust. Manori Sudhasiniyer, நீங்க நல்லா டான்ஸ் பண்ற. Thank you. Pakka Mari Lokesh, Akka, your voice super. Thank you so much. Gopi Monica, thank you. Jayanti, thank you. Fan Roja, thank you ma. Lisrin, thank you. Muttu Selva Vijay, thank you. Niza Asad, thank you. Arjun fan, Rojan fan forever, thank you. Janu Jan, hi. Suresh, guys, please stop. Because of dust. Lekan, hello. Shanti, hi. Narmada, hi. Kumar, Soumya. Favorite color? Blue. Blue and blue is romba favorite, and I love white, black, red. Which color suits on me? I love that color. You're so cute today, Akka. Fan Roja, thank you so much. Chatti, hi. Are you missing your birthday celebrations without Roja? Yes, of course I'm missing Roja team. Roja, Tamil Nadu மக்களுக்கு எல்லாருக்கும் மிஸ் பண்றேன். என்னோட ஃபேன்ஸ்க்கு எல்லாருக்கும். Chennai, I'm missing Chennai too. And this year it has written that full day, all day I have to spend with family and Hyderabad. And చాలా సంతోషంగా ఉంది. అండ్ తెలుగు వాళ్ళందరూ కూడా చాలామంది విష్ చేశారు మన వాళ్ళు. చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఉంది. అండ్ అందరూ జాగ్రత్తగా ఉండండి. స్టే హోమ్, స్టే సేఫ్. అండ్ యాక్చువల్లీ యూ నో, ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేస్తే ఏది రాదు. ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేయకుండా నార్మల్గా అని అనుకున్నాం అనుకో అన్నీ వస్తాయి. సీరియస్లీ ఐ డింట్ ఎక్స్పెక్టెడ్ ఎనీథింగ్. ఐ జస్ట్ ఎక్స్పెక్టెడ్ అ wish, that's it. But I got a lot. Mani Shesha, hi. It's me, Chinni, hi. Shrija, hi. Samir, hi. I'm good. Okay, dears, and my fans, Tamil Makkali, and Roja viewers, fans. And what about my YouTube channel? How is my videos? நீங்க எல்லாரும் வாட்ச் பண்றீங்களா? எப்படி இருக்கு வீடியோஸ்? I'm trying more videos and உங்களுக்கு entertain பண்றதுக்காக, because I don't want to miss you all. That's why நான் YouTube channel open பண்ணிட்டேன். And I'm trying my best to entertain you all. And இன்னும் நிறைய வீடியோஸ் பண்ணணும். ஸோ நீங்கள் எல்லாரும் எனக்கு சப்போர்ட் பண்ணதானே நான் பண்ண முடியும். Yeah, you all are supporting me, I know. And little bit. And Nisha Ammu, thank you so much. I'm so happy, so happy. I'm so blessed. Thank you so much. Love you all. I never miss anyone. And names sollale, but ellarum enakku inge irukanga. And yarukana Hello. Hello. Wishes from Rosie. Also, thank you so much, everyone. And so next we'll meet in TikTok live. So I'm going to come live in TikTok. Not immediately, but maybe half an hour or 1 hour. I don't know. So let's meet up there. And thank you so much for your sweet wishes. I love you, my sweethearts. And you're all favorite. Hello everyone, this is your Roja. Okay guys, bye, see you, and I'll reply you all. Thank you so much for making my session.